Today we continue traveling the famous Santa Fe Trail, the mountain route towards Colorado. Come along with us as we find some national treasures. The Santa Fe Trail was a 19th century transportation route through central North America that connected Franklin, Missouri with Santa Fe, New Mexico. Engineered in 1821, it served as a vital commercial highway until the introduction of the railroad in 1880. As we crossed into Colorado, we were both surprised to find that we were still in the plains. We had always thought of the state of Colorado as being Rocky Mountains.
We are on a little boondoggle. Most of the side roads off of US 50 are just like this, dirt roads.
So we drove about a mile down this dirt road looking for Bent's new fort. We hadn't found anything that even looked remotely like a fort when we finally came up on a marker that said Bent's new fort, national site. So we got out and started walking up the trail, and all we could find were some stones that were left from the fort when it was here. Bent's new fort was built on the bank of the Arkansas River and was used from 1853 to 1860 when it was leased to the U.S. government. They operated it until 1867 and abandoned the fort when the Arkansas River flooded.
Now that we had found Bent's new fort, we wanted to go see if we could find Bent's old fort.
All right, so we were trying to find Old Bent's Fort National Site, following the directions of Garmin, and there was a flood in the road, so we're backing up.
In 1/2 mile, make a U-turn.
Yeah, the river's
The river overflowed.
Yep.
What's the river?
Arkansas River.
Arkansas River.
Funny, we didn't see the flooding downstream.
Well, we finally found Bent's old fort, and we were really excited, especially when we found out that we were going to have to hike down a trail just to actually get to the fort.
The closer we got to the fort, the more we began to realize we had found something truly special. The approach to the fort could easily make you believe you were back in the 1800s. The fort was built in 1833, and for much of its 16-year history, it was the only major white American permanent settlement on the Santa Fe Trail, between Missouri and the Mexican settlements.
This place is such a surprise to me. I had no idea all of this was here. Such history right here on the Santa Fe Trail.
So a little bit of a pleasant surprise here at Bent's old fort. It is fully restored and has character actors in it and everything. This is an amazing visit. I'm so glad we found a way around the flood to come and do it. It's pretty impressive. And we'll show you some more footage here in just a minute.
Inside Bent's fort. This was the trade room. Moving on to the dining room.
Again, so I can't do a lot of smithing today.
The blacksmith shop.
I do some smithing. Awesome. Yeah. Made this one the day before yesterday, but
distance.
This shot looking down at the main center of the fort shows the fur press that was used to bind the buffalo hides.
So this is where they made the adobe bricks that the fort is actually made out of. The dirt is gathered here, put in these blocks wetted, and then stacked up over here mixed with straw to give it strength.
Keeping commerce rolling. It's like the trucks of yesteryear. Actually really big. Bigger than I thought. Bookstore. Down bookstore. Combination trading posts I see. So glad we came out here.
Bent's Old Fort was one of the significant centers of the fur trade on the Santa Fe Trail, trading with both Indians and white men alike. It was located on the Mexican border at that time.
As you can tell, we had a lot of fun at Bent's Old Fort. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do that too. We invite you to come along with us and enjoy the ride. Thank you for watching. See you next time.